Meanwhile, earlier today, Health Minister Dr. Phaahla conducted a site visit on some of the facilities, assessing some of the worst affected health facilities around the country. The Health Department says the majority of hotspot facilities across the country have been accessible despite the strike action. Newzroom Afrika's Mohlaoli takes a look.
For the past 8 days, this has been the scene at hospitals across the country as striking National Education, Health and Allied Workers Union NEHAWU members made their stand for a 10% wage increase. The matter reached a head on Monday when Health Minister Dr. Phaahla went to the ground to gauge for himself the impact of the strike. Phaahla and his team spent time at the Tumaole Regional Hospital in Mohlaoli on Johannesburg's Far East Rand. This is the state health facility where a 2-year-old child died on the 7th of March. That's the day when healthcare workers affiliated to NEHAWU embarked on what was initially deemed a wildcat strike. The young boy reportedly died at around 5 a.m. on a Sunday. On Monday, the Labour Appeal Court interdicted with immediate effect the week-long strike action across the country. The hardest-hit provinces include Gauteng, Eastern Cape, Free State and KwaZulu-Natal provinces. The court declared the strike to be unlawful on the grounds that NEHAWU and its members are employed in an essential service, which simply means that they are not allowed by law to embark on strike action. The court added that NEHAWU and all such essential service employees were restrained and prevented from continuing with or participating in any such strike.
In terms of the disruptions, there are two elements. One is the legal issue. 5 provinces, I think now it's already 8, who have obtained court orders. So if in its organized form the union breaks the conditions of the court order, then it becomes contempt of court. So in that case, they can be charged for contempt of court.
Meanwhile, 70 kilometers south of Johannesburg at Sebokeng Regional Hospital, another one of the worst affected provincial health facilities, union leaders also expressed their disappointment at the court's findings.
Naturally, we are disappointed. However, it's not something that we did not expect. We expected as much because you will notice from the 6th, all our notices were interdicted. So it's with disappointment. However, we have to soldier on. Now we are on a consultation process with our members, informing them about the outcomes of the court interdict.
Meanwhile, NEHAWU says its members will be given 72 hours to return to their posts. They are now appealing to management at hospitals across Gauteng and the country not to victimize those who took part in the labor action. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Tumaole Mohlaoli at Sebokeng Hospital.